In this guide, I'm going to show you how to enter script in Roblox Studio. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Also, before we do get started, I did just launch my ultimate Roblox game dev template. If you're trying to make your own Roblox game, check out the Gumroad and Etsy links in the description. It's extremely helpful. Now, once Roblox Studio does open for you, what you need to go ahead and do is choose whatever project you want to work on. I'm actually currently loaded in here right now. And once it does open, you're going to want to look for the Explorer panel over on the right-hand side. If you don't see this, go to the top menu and you need to select View. And once you hit View, in this section, you need to just turn on Explorer. So make sure that you have Explorer opened up. Once you have Explorer opened up, you need to go ahead and find the server script service. You'll see it right here. Go ahead and just click it and it's going to expand it a little bit. And in here, you need to find the little plus icon right next to it. Go ahead and select that plus icon. It's then going to pop up with this. Go ahead and select script and then you're going to see this script section just like so. It's going to say print hello world. This is always the test one right here. From here, of course, you can go ahead and delete that and add your own code. You can also use Roblox Studio's AI assistant by actually tapping on the little comment section over there as well, and it'll go ahead and help you out. But that's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.